Buff the nails. Clean the nail with nail remover. Base gel. Apply base gel on nails. Cure under lamp for 10 seconds to let it dry. Slip solution. Add few drops of slip solution in container. Now dip the brush in slip solution. Nail polygel in clear color. Now apply polygel on dual form. Shape the polygel until you get perfect shape. Now apply this dual form on your nail. Press a little to fix it. Cure under lamp to let the polygel dry. Remove the dual form. Cut the nail according to the size you want. File the nail. Top coat. Apply top coat on nails. Again, cure under lamp to let top coat dry.
Look how beautiful it is looking.